Ever pondered over the intricacies of how money moves from one bank to another? It might seem like a simple click of a button on your end, but the truth is, it's a complex dance of data and debt, with a fascinating history and an exciting future to boot. In the beginning, transferring money between banks was a cumbersome affair. If a customer from Bank A wanted to send funds to a customer in Bank B, Bank A would literally have to transport the money to Bank B. Eventually, a debt system was introduced where banks would keep track of how much they owed each other based on customer transactions. The year 1872 marked a significant shift as Western Union began offering money transfers via telegraph services. This was a game changer, and by 1918, the Federal Reserve Bank had also jumped on the bandwagon, offering telegraph-based transfers. On a national level, money transfers between banks often involve the use of correspondent accounts. These are accounts within a financial institution that belong to another financial institution. So, essentially, these accounts facilitate the movement of funds from one bank to another. But what about international transfers? That's where the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, better known as SWIFT, comes into play. Founded in 1973, this Belgian cooperative society serves as a conduit for financial transactions between banks around the globe. While SWIFT doesn't actually move the funds, it sends payment orders to banks. Banks then make payments to correspondent accounts, creating a network that allows money to be sent between banks, even if they don't directly hold each other's correspondent accounts. The transfer can find its way through a chain of banks, each with a correspondent account in the next. Although it usually takes 1 to 4 business days for a SWIFT transfer to complete, the more banks involved, the longer the journey. Today, SWIFT boasts over 11,000 financial institutions as members, spanning 200 countries. The network processes more than 32 million messages daily. And in the spirit of innovation, SWIFT announced a partnership with the R3 Consortium in 2019, aiming to harness blockchain technology to modernize international money transfers. In essence, the process of transferring money from one bank to another, whether nationally or internationally, involves a complex system of correspondent accounts and intermediary services like SWIFT. It's a world that has evolved from physical transport of cash to telegraph transfers, and now towards the exciting frontier of blockchain technology. With every step forward, the goal remains to make the process faster, cheaper, and more efficient.